Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the text color of captions on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. If you've been struggling to read captions clearly or just want to customize how they look, this is a simple setting that can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can control different aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down until you find the Media section. Click on it. This area contains options related to videos and captions. In the Media settings, look for Captions display. Right next to it, you'll see options to customize how your captions appear. Here's where you can change the text color. Select the color that works best for your visibility and preference. Choosing a high contrast color can make captions much easier to read, especially on different backgrounds. After you've picked your preferred text color, don't forget the final step. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. This ensures your new caption settings are applied across Facebook videos. And that's it. You've successfully updated the text color of your captions on Facebook using your PC. It's a small tweak, but it can really improve your viewing experience. If this helped you out, feel free to check out more tips to customize your Facebook settings and make the platform work better for you.